Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are new to my channel, then welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you guys like the content that I create, then please do consider subscribing. So this is the 7th look of my Navratri makeup series, and if you guys like it and want to know how to achieve this look, then please continue watching. Priming my skin with MARC Jacob's Perfecting Coconut Primer. Going in with BECCA's Backlight Priming Filter, applying it with my NYX 05 brush. Guys, for foundation today, I am using these two stick foundations. This is my Huda Beauty 4 Filter Stick Foundation, and this is my Bobbi Brown foundation. So this one is in the shade 4.5 Warm Natural. Yeah, Warm Natural, and this one is in the shade Tres Leches. This is my Huda Beauty. Then Bobbi Brown, going in with PAC's Spotlight Concealer. Guys, I'm just going to apply some of my NARS Soft Matte Concealer under my eyes. We'll be setting my under eyes with Laura Mercier's powder. And to set my foundation, I am using K Beauty's HD Loose Setting Powder in the shade Banana. I'm going to apply some of my Charlotte Tilbury powder. This is my Anastasia's A23 brush. I love this powder so much. I like to apply this powder on my T-zone and on my under eyes, not for the entire face. Going in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Using my Morphe's E2 brush to apply this bronzer. It's a huge brush and I love it. I won't be applying any blush today, however, now I will be going in with my OFRA's Rodeo Drive Highlighter, applying it with my Real Techniques setting brush. Love this highlighter. And I'm just going to spray some of my Morphe's Continuous Setting Mist. So guys, I'll just quickly finish left side of my eye makeup and I'll see you guys in a second. So let's get started with the eye makeup. As always, I've already primed my eyelid with Fenty Beauty's eye primer. And today I will be using two eyeshadow palettes. The first one is the JACLYN Hill palette. It is the first time using this palette. First, I will be going in with this shadow. It's called M.F.E.O. This is going to be a base color. We'll be applying it with my Sigma's E40 brush. So I will be applying this shadow all over my eyelid. Since this is going to be a base color, I'm not going to apply too much of it. On my Sigma's E25 short handled blending brush, I will be taking this shadow, it's called JADA, and I will be applying it on my outer corner and then pulling it inwards. I'm going to blend the edges. On Zoeva 224 Luxe Defined Crease brush, I will be taking this shadow. It's called, I think, Creamscicle. It's a nice mustard yellow color. So now I'm going to blend this shadow with our JADA, okay? I'm going very light-handed with this color. Just applying some on my outer corner. My next palette is going to be COLOURPOP's MARC palette, and I will be going in with this shadow. Will be applying it on my eyelid, and I'm using my MAX 242 brush. For that metallic look and a little bit of intensity, I'm going to spray my Morphe spray. I'm going to deepen my outer corner with this shadow again. For my lower lash line, I will be going in with this one again, and this is my Zoeva's 240 Luxe Petite Pencil Brush. I've been really loving this pencil brush for my lower lash line. So the shadow is going to be more dark towards the outer corner, and then as I go inwards, it's going to become light. Going in with that mustard yellow now, just on the edges, just blending the edges, okay? Applying ColourPop's Creme Gel Liner in the shade Icebreaker on my waterline. Applying a very thin coat of L'Oreal's Lash Paradise Mascara on my upper lashes, and I'm going to go a little heavy on my lower lashes. On my tear duct, I will be applying OFRA's Rodeo Drive Highlighter. This is my Max 275 short handle brush. I don't want it to be extremely intense. That's why I'm not going to spray any mist on my brush. Definitely not a good day to shoot. My nose is a little runny, my left eye is watering a lot, so I had a lot of problems fixing this lash. 5वीं बार में जाके ये lash अच्छी तरीके से apply हुआ है. So anyway, let's move on to lip color now. So first I will be lining and filling in my lips with ColourPop's Lippie pencil. This one is in the shade Faded. I know I'm using a lot of ColourPop Lippie pencils, लेकिन मेरे पास बहुत सारे shades हैं, and I absolutely love the formula. On top of this, I will be applying my Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the shade Truffle. Lastly, going in with my Fenty Beauty's Gloss Bomb. Spraying my Morphe's Continuous Setting Mist.